The best part about this recipe, it's precise. No guesswork, no add water until it feels right, and definitely no endless kneading. But here's a real game changer. I'll show you the ultimate trick to get perfectly round tortillas every single time, instead of those Ohio or Texas shaped tortillas. First, grab your mixer bowl and add flour and baking powder. Give it a quick mix. Now let's bring in our secret weapon, the mixer. Attach the dough hook, set your mixer to speed 3, and mix for about a minute or two until you get a sandy texture. Now, water temperature matters a lot. I'm heating mine to 122 Fahrenheit and dissolving salt in it. With the mixer running on speed 2, add the water little by little. After about 2 minutes, everything should be fully incorporated. Crank up the speed to 4 and let it mix for 20 minutes. Let's take a look at the dough at minute 10. Still pretty rough, so let's keep kneading for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll have a smooth and easy to work with dough. Shape it into a bowl, and now let's cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes to an hour. After the hour has passed by, it's time to portion our dough. Look how beautiful our dough turned out. We're looking for a dough that's smooth, soft, and easy to work with without sticking to your hands. But now, back to the portioning. I'm making 30-gram portions, but you can size them however you like. Sprinkle flour on your surface, on your dough bowl, and on your rolling pin, because sticking is not invited to this party. Here's where most people go wrong, shaping. But here's the second secret. Imagine your dough is a little clock. Draw 2 antennas at 11 and 2. Shape your dough a little bit again, tap on it, and let's start rolling. Place your rolling pin at the center and roll down. Then lift, place it back at the center, and roll up. Want to skip the lift? No problem, just roll up, but when coming back down, don't press the pin. Now, rotate the tip of your tortilla toward one of the antennas and repeat, straight up and down only, never roll vertically or diagonally. That's how you end up with Texas-shaped tortillas instead of nice round ones. Rotate a couple more times until you get a circular shape. And there you have it, perfectly round, soft tortillas every single time. If this method just changed your tortilla game, let me know in the comments. Now here's the final and most satisfying step, cooking your tortillas. Make sure your griddle is on high heat. We are not slow cooking here, we want that perfect puff. Place your tortilla on the griddle and cook for 30 seconds. You'll start seeing little bubbles, it's a good sign. Flip it over and let it cook for 12 to 15 seconds more. Look how puffy our tortilla is getting. Beautiful. Take it off the heat, and just like that, you've got the soft, perfect round tortilla. Now go amaze everyone with your perfect tortillas. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless you.